Devin. So today I decided to do a twist out routine. Twist outs are so easy to do, 2-strand twist outs. All you do is just take 2 strands and just start twisting it on each other. I'm really bad at doing like cornrows and stuff, so in order to get my curls super defined and soft and curly, I prefer to do twist outs. So if you want to see how I get my hair like this, big, defined, and just luscious and fabulous, then keep on watching.
Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections, and then I'm going to take the other part and split that into another 2 sections. The reason I like doing this is because it makes my hair a lot more easier to manage when I'm doing the twist outs. So now I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and make sure that my hair is soaking wet. If I'm twisting my hair while it's frizzy, it's going to come out frizzy, so I want to make sure that I saturate my hair as much as possible. Now I'm going to go in with my coconut oil formula and just put that all throughout my hair to make sure it's moisturized. The reason why I like doing twist outs so much is because it just keeps my hair smooth and just helps it to not get tangled throughout the week. So I like to do twist outs. Now I'm going to go in with my Deva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. I really like this gel because it has a nice hold, but it's not sticky. It has a very slippery feel to it where it allows me to detangle my hair still. Now I'm just going to take 2 small sections throughout my hair, and you want to make sure that the strands are small, because depending on how big you want your curls depends on how much strand you take, how big of a strand you take. But I prefer to do it in small strands because I feel like by doing it this way, it helps my hair to be less frizzy. So now you're just going to start from the roots and start to just twist your hair, to take 2 of the strands and start to twist them on each other. And as I'm twisting, I like to, detangle my hair as I'm going, because the last thing you want is your hair to start getting tangled as you're doing the twist outs. It just causes a big mess, and then by the time your hair is dry and you're ready to take the twist outs out, it just makes it a lot more difficult. So make sure as you're doing your twist outs that you're detangling as you go. Now, because my hair is so fine, I have to kind of twirl the ends so that way I can keep the twist outs in there, so that way I can just kind of go to sleep and move around and not have to worry about my twist outs untwisting. And make sure when you're doing the twist outs that you're doing it really tight. You want to make sure that by the time your hair dries that the curls are still in place, that the twist outs are still in place. Now I'm just going to keep on twisting throughout my hair until my entire left side is finished. So now that I'm done with my left side, I'm just going to go in on my other end and just take my hair and split it into 2 sections to make it easier to manage my hair. Making sure that I'm saturating my hair with water to make it easier to detangle. Put in the conditioner and the gel and just start twisting. I probably do about 11 twists throughout my hair. No, that's probably a lie. It's probably about 7 twists per side, so maybe around 15. About 15 twist outs. I do have a lot of hair, but my hair is actually pretty fine, so this is what my twist out looks like. Now I'm going to go to bed. You might be wondering, how do I sleep in this? So I would just take like a satin cap and put it on your head. That way, when you're sleeping, the twist outs don't get really frizzy.
Okay guys, so this is my hair. I decided to sleep in this because it wasn't dry by the time I was done. So these are my twist outs. Woo. So yeah, this is the back. Okay. So this is my hair. Get a little bit closer.
Now I'm going to take my argan oil of Morocco. You want to make sure that when you're taking the twist outs out that you have some type of moisture on your finger. The reason why is because if your fingers are dry, it's just going to create a lot of friction and make your hair frizzy. So that's something you want to try to avoid as much as possible. We'll get to the frizz a little bit later when we're trying to get volume, but when you're taking the twist outs out, you want to make sure that you're avoiding as much frizz as possible. So you're just going to start at the ends and just basically untwist your hair. That's the best way to untwist your twist outs. Don't be too much in a rush taking your twist outs out. You want to be very gentle with it. So now I'm just going to run my fingers throughout my hair, trying to create as much volume as possible. Now I'm just going to take some strands and just take my twist outs out just to create more volume. So I'm going to take one twist and just split that into 2 to 4 pieces to just create a little bit more volume. Now make sure that you have oil on your fingers when you're doing this just to avoid as much frizz as possible. Now I'm going to go in with my Queen Helen's gel and just slick my edges down. You want to make sure those edges are looking good. And now I'm going to go in with my hair pick just to create a little bit more volume in my roots. Normally with first day hair, my hair is pretty flat, but as the days go on, my hair starts to get a little bit more of a natural volume. But specifically on this day I was going out, so I wanted to just create a little bit more volume than normal. So these are my results. Comment if you like them and if you want to try out this twist out routine. It's very easy.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my twist out routine. You made it to the end. So this is my hair. This is the finished results. Very defined and curly. It was pretty easy, honestly. Like, it didn't take me that long. I hope you guys stay tuned and support me on my journey with natural hair. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm trying to post at least once a week. Love you. Bye.